Hey students, today we will study division. What is division? The meaning of the term division is distribution. We can divide anything. For example, you can divide the balloons, or you can divide a piece of cake, or you can divide your books among yourselves, or you can divide chocolates. You can divide anything. Division is of two types: equal distribution and unequal division. In equal division, equal amount of thing is given to everybody. For example, there are 6 bangles and they need to be distributed among 2 people. So how will we distribute equally? We will give 3 bangles to one person and we will give another 3 bangles to another person. So hence these 6 bangles have been distributed equally among 2 people. In unequal distribution, equal things do not go to everybody. For example, you have toffees. Okay, so you have 3 toffees and they need to be distributed among 2 people. So what can be done? For unequal distribution, it is possible that one person gets 2 toffee. Person A might get 2 toffees and person B might get 1 toffee. So this is unequal distribution. Now the terms often used for division is make groups of, distribute, give, divide and share. In the question it might not directly be asked to you that divide. They might ask you to distribute something, they might ask you to give, to make groups of, and hence all these terms indicate the same operation, that is division. The sign of division is this, that is a bar and 2 dots, one above and below, and a slash is also used to indicate division, but slash is often used in computers. Also, division can be said to be opposite of multiplication. That is, if it is written 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2, we can write 7 into 2 is 14. So remember, opposite of division is multiplication. Division is actually repeated subtraction. Now how? Pay attention to the terms repeated subtraction. Repeated means again and again, जो बार बार हो रहा हो. Subtraction का मतलब to give away. Okay, so in this question, for example, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 14. Okay, so when we divide 2 by 8 we get 4. I'm sorry, it was not 14, it's 4. So we get a 4 and we get remainder of 0. Now that means when we take away 2 from 4, remember the meaning of the terms. Repeated means again and again and subtraction means to give away. So when we give away 2 from 8 we get a 6. Then again we will copy this 6 here और फिर इसमें से 2 हम we will give away. तो कितना बचेगा 4. फिर हम 4 को यहाँ पे कॉपी कर लेंगे. फिर इस 4 से हम we will give away 2. तो कितना बचेगा 2. और 2 से फिर से हम 2 को यहाँ पे कॉपी करेंगे और 2 से फिर हम we will give away 2. तो कितना बचेगा 0. Hence we can say that we have taken away 2 4 times. हमने 4 times 2 को हटाया तब जाके रिमाइंडर 0 आया है. So that means we have taken away 4 times 2 from 8 to get a remainder of 0. Okay, so this is repeated subtraction. We have taken away 4 times 2 from 8, isn't it? This is how we read it in terms of repeated subtraction. Now let us see what are these terms called. The first number which is divided has to be the largest of all the given numbers. जो डिवीजन में पहला नंबर होता है जो कि डिवाइड हो रहा होता है वो सबसे लार्जेस्ट होता है और उसे हम डिविडेंड कहते हैं. लार्जेस्ट नंबर को, जो कि पहला वाला ही होना चाहिए. दूसरा नंबर जो कि डिवाइड कर रहा है उसे हम डिवाइज़र कहते हैं. और तीसरा नंबर कोशेंट होता है. ओके, जो कि इक्वल टू के इस साइड लिखा रहता है. Now let's just write it in terms of division. 2 divided by 10 is 5. So what is this? This is divisor, this is quotient and this is dividend. Let's identify the terms again. this is the quotient, this is the dividend, and this is the divisor. Okay. Now in this question we saw that this is 0. That means 0 is the remainder. यहाँ पे 0 बच रहा है. Okay. So what is remainder? Remainder is something which is left. यहाँ पे 0 बच रहा है, कहीं कहीं 0 नहीं बचता है, कोई नंबर बचता है. For example, when we divide 5 by 2, we will get a remainder of 1. Okay. So this is remainder is the leftover number. Let's understand what is a remainder. For example, if you were given to divide 22 pencils in 5 children equally, तो ये आप कैसे करेंगे? हम इस तरीके से करेंगे कि जब हम 22 पेंसिल्स को अगर 5 चिल्ड्रन में इक्वली डिवाइड करना है तो हम 4 पेंसिल्स एक बच्चे को देंगे, 4 पेंसिल्स दूसरे बच्चे को, 4 पेंसिल्स तीसरे बच्चे को, चौथे बच्चे को, पांचवें बच्चे को. ओके. तो 4 पेंसिल्स 5 बच्चों में इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इस तरीके से हुई कि हर किसी को 4 मिल गई, बट 2 रिमेनिंग है. सो दीज रिमेनिंग ones are the leftover pencils, and this is the remainder. I hope now you have understood what is a remainder. The thing which is left over after equal distribution of a number. Up till now we have studied what are the terms called. Now we will also study what is the relationship between the terms. Okay. For example, the relationship, let's take this example, 39 divided by 7. When we divide 39 by 7, we will get 35 here, a remainder of 4, and here we will get another 5. Okay. So how can we get a relationship between all these numbers? There is a formula. You need to memorize that formula. That formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. जब हम डिविडेंड की वैल्यू कैसे आएगी? जब हम डिवाइजर इंटू क्वोशंट प्लस रिमाइंडर करेंगे. ओके. नाउ लेट्स चेक दिस. डिविडेंड क्या है? 39 है. ओके. डिवाइजर और लेट्स डू इट दिस वे. डिविडेंड हमें फाइंड करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल डिवाइजर क्या है? डिवाइजर 7 है. क्वोशंट क्या है? 5 है. और रिमाइंडर 4 है. Isn't it? So that gives us 7 into 5 is 35 plus 4 is 39. So that means the dividend is 39. तो क्या dividend 39 है? Let's check it from the question. Yes, the dividend is 39. That means our answer is correct. So this is the इक्वेशन यू हैव टू लर्न, जिससे हमें ये पता चल जाता है हमारा आंसर करेक्ट है कि नहीं. कैसे पता चलेगा आंसर करेक्ट है कि नहीं? जब इक्वल टू के ये बोथ साइड सेम नंबर आए तो हमारा आंसर करेक्ट है. डिविडेंड हमें ऑलरेडी यहाँ से पता है 39 था, और जब हमने इस इक्वेशन में वैल्यूज़ रखी तभी भी 39 आया. तो सेम नंबर है इक्वल टू के बोथ साइड्स. सो दैट मीन्स आवर आंसर इज करेक्ट. ऑलराइट.